Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thanks so much for coming by. Now before this video gets started, if you're interested in being a Lyft or an Uber driver and making $20 to $30, even $40 an hour, and you want to get a huge sign-on bonus, go ahead and use my link in the description. It's going to be the first one. And now let's get right into the video, okay? So I just got off the phone with an executive over at Uber and he was talking to me about something called Uber Pro. So Uber Pro just started on November 1st, and this is what the video today is going to be about. Just one part of what Uber Pro is doing. Okay, so Uber is actually giving drivers access to free education. So Uber is giving drivers free bachelor's degrees through a program called Arizona State University Online. So another company that has been partnered with ASU Online before has been Starbucks. So I don't know if you guys know that, but I used to work at Starbucks, and something that they told me when I got interviewed was that, hey, we have this partnership with ASU, and you can actually get a free bachelor's degree as long as you work like 12 hours a week. So I don't know exactly what's going on, but Uber is doing a similar program with ASU, and they're giving drivers access to be able to pursue education in over 100 different majors. It's basically the same as a bachelor's degree, but it's going to be all online. So you don't have to move to Arizona. You can do it from your bedroom or from the library or from, even from Starbucks if you want. And you just do it all online. And if you don't want to do a whole major, you can choose from other non-major courses such as entrepreneurship, some other stuff as well, like software engineering. One of the things that we were talking about on the phone is that a lot of drivers use Uber as a way to get to another career. So maybe they're just doing it part-time or for a temporary amount of time in order to, maybe they're working on their own business, or they're doing as a supplemental income while they get promoted. So, maybe you want to go back to school and get your bachelor's degree in business or in finance, and you can do that while driving for Uber. So the qualifications are that you have to have done 3,000 trips and you have to maintain a platinum level rating. So you have to keep your rating high, and basically this is just an incentive for Uber drivers to remain drivers for a long time and to get them going to where exactly that they want to be. So I think it's really cool, and I really thank Uber for doing this because I think it gives you guys a great opportunity, and me as well. I'm in college right now. I'm about to get my bachelor's degree, and I hope to do amazing things with that. And being able to have a bachelor's degree for free is such an amazing opportunity. A lot of countries around the world actually offer free education, but in the United States, we pay a lot of money. So the average cost of tuition in the United States for a four-year university, which is what Arizona State is gonna be around $15,000. So for 4 years, that's 60 grand. So if you do the math, that's $60,000 that Uber is basically offering you to get your education. And that's not even counting housing costs, costs for food, etc. So if you're living on campus, that's like an extra 10 grand a year. So all in all, this could be upwards of $100,000 that you're getting totally free as long as you're being an Uber driver. So I'm just going to go through the article really quick, and I'm going to show you exactly. This is from the Arizona State University website. Okay, so here is the article that I'm looking at right now. This is from Arizona State University, their website. And so here we look. Uber and ASU partner on fully funded education for eligible drivers. So this is like I said, a pioneering program, part of Uber Pro. And it's a new reward system for the drivers in order to incentivize drivers to drive longer, to drive more, but not also that, but to reward people who drive a lot. Uber and Arizona State University are partnering to provide a pathway to a fully funded college degree for thousands of Uber drivers and their families starting today. So guys, I actually forgot to mention, this program that Uber is doing, it's not only for the driver. So say you already have a bachelor's degree, but you want to send your kid to college, Uber's going to pay for that as well. Or maybe your spouse wants to go to college as well. So this, I think, is really awesome. And also, you know, you can learn English as a second language through ASU Online as well. The ASU and Uber education partnership addresses the need for a more flexible way for people to achieve post-secondary education, according to Phil Rager, CEO of EdPlus at ASU. Guys, ASU is one of the top business schools in the United States. So I don't know if any of you guys are interested in business, but if you want to get a business degree, I highly suggest getting it at ASU. This is a great opportunity. Let's see. Flexibility is foundational to our two enterprises, noted ASU president. So here's the video really quick. I'm just going to play it and just to show you guys exactly what's going on. We heard you're driving forward.
This is my daughter. I want to learn English for my family, for the future. She's an amazing artist.
Oh, this is just a general Uber video. We don't have to watch that. It's pretty cool, but it doesn't have anything to do with the program. Never mind. Okay, so yeah, you can definitely check this out as well. Just type in ASU and Uber partnership. But yeah, oh yeah, here we go. You can choose from over 80 undergraduate degree programs offered by ASU Online. Or if they're unsure about taking courses or not yet admissible to ASU, they can take classes through Global Freshman Academy at ASU, a low-risk pathway to admission that also earns college credit. And you can take non-degree courses in English as a second language or entrepreneurship. So I know a lot of you guys, and myself as well, I am also interested in starting a company. And so if you're interested in starting a company, you can take entrepreneurship classes for free through ASU Online. You know, and these are by some of the best professors in the world. More than half the drivers told us that they're interested in starting a business within the next 5 years. And wow, over half of you guys want to start a business in the next 5 years. That's awesome. And a third told us that they speak English as a second language. That's what I was talking about. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much the rest of the article. If you're interested in this, if you're interested in this opportunity, if you are even considering thinking about doing this, I highly suggest just go for it. You know, there's really nothing to lose. And, you know, maybe you are thinking about going to college and you're thinking about, oh, how can I save up, you know, thousands and thousands of dollars? Maybe this is your opportunity to get a free online education while driving for Uber. So I just would consider it. Don't take this lightly, actually consider doing it. You know, I wish I heard about this before going to college. You know, I could have gotten a free education. But you know, I work through college, so that's how I'm paying for it. But anyways, thank you guys again for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you liked you know, this informational video. It's a little bit different from most of my videos. But again, if you want to be an Uber or Lyft driver, go ahead and use my link in the description for a sign-on bonus, and go ahead and enter the giveaway if you wanna, you know, one of these cool little Rideshare Hub t-shirts. And yeah, subscribe, like, comment, follow us on social media. All right, we'll see you next time.